Hello, so we're going to play an ABC game where we need to think of a word that starts with each letter of the alphabet. So, for example, if the first letter is A, we have to think or we have to come up with the food that starts with A. And our category is food. So and also I am clarifying this because I realize my explanation might not have been clear. I'm sorry. I hope you enjoy, guys. Oh, loading, guys, loading.
Anis.
Yunis.
Makaon ng anis! Ano, ibutam lang sa pagkaon.
Parang alamang.
Here we go again. Loading na naman si Ate Bay.
Apricot.
Apricot.
Hoy, makaon ng apricot. Buwang ka. Makaon malagay, pagkaon.
Ako.